Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Sometimes when you try to install Chrome browser on your PC, installer failed to install it with error message that is installation failed. The Google Chrome installer failed to start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Open File Explorer on your PC, then select this PC. After that, head over to C drive or Windows installation drive. Users. Here select the username folder. In my case, it's this one. Here make sure hidden files is enabled. For that click view, show files and select hidden files. Now select app data and then local. Here locate Google and delete this folder. After that restart your computer and try to install Chrome browser and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.